Hello viewers, how are you all? Welcome to our channel Trade Empire. Today, I will explain about the Parabolic SAR indicator. It is one of the most important indicators used by the traders. My dear friends, in this channel, we keep explaining about the technical analysis of the stock. So, before going ahead in the video, if you are new to our channel, then hit the like button and subscribe our channel, so you can keep getting these types of informative videos also in future. Now let us understand our today's topic. Parabolic SAR is a trend-following indicator. It indicates the trend of the stock. Parabolic SAR is indicated as the series of the dots. If the parabolic SAR is below the price, then it is said that the stock is in the uptrend. Similarly, when the parabolic SAR is above the price, then it is said that the stock is in the downtrend. The meaning of SAR is stop and reverse. As you can see here, first the SAR dots are below the price, so the stock is in the uptrend. At the starting of the uptrend, the SAR dots are far away from the price. This thing indicates that there is the high momentum in the trend. Now if the SAR dots move very near to the price, then this thing indicates that the current trend is becoming weak, and there are high chances for the reversal. Same thing happens over here. During the uptrend, when the SAR dots move very near to the price, the uptrend comes to an end. After that, the reversal happens, and now the SAR dots start to appear above the price, thus the stock changes its direction and starts to move in the downtrend. Moreover, Parabolic SAR gives the signals for the buying and selling. When the SAR dots start to form below the price, then it gives the buying signals. Similarly, when the SAR dots start to form above the price, then it gives the selling signals. Parabolic SAR works fine in the trending market, thus it can give some good buying signals in the high uptrend, and selling signals in the high downtrend. But Parabolic SAR does not work properly in the sideway market, because it gives many false signals during sideway market. So, if we use the Parabolic SAR in the sideway market, then the price may hit our stop loss easily, and thus we may lose our trade. So, we cannot trade only on the basis of the Parabolic SAR. We will use it with some other indicators. In our strategy, we will use Parabolic SAR in combination with moving average and MACD. Moving average is very significant indicator to identify the trend of the stock. Exponential moving average uses the latest price data, so it gives fast response to price changes as compared to the simple moving average. For better result, here we will use the 180 EMA to identify the main trend of the stock. Thus, when the price will be above the 180 EMA, it will be called the uptrend, and during the uptrend we will look for the buying only. Similarly, when the price will be below the 180 EMA, it will be called the downtrend, and during the downtrend, we will look for the selling only. Now let us understand about the MACD. There are two lines in the MACD, first is MACD line, and second is signal line. In our strategy, we do not require the histogram, so we will remove it from the setting. The crossover between the MACD line and signal line plays an important role. When MACD line crossover the signal line from downside to upside, then it is called the bullish crossover, and during this bullish crossover, we can get the buy opportunities. Similarly, when the MACD line crossover the signal line from upside to downside, then it is called the bearish crossover, and during this bearish crossover, we can get the sell opportunities. Now first, let us understand the conditions for the buy setup. Condition number 1. We will make our buy setup when the price will be above the 180 EMA. Condition number 2. We will look for the buying when Parabolic SAR will be below the price. Condition number 3. We will make our buy entry when bullish crossover happens. Let us understand with an example. Here we have the chart of the stock. As you can see here, the price is above the 180 EMA, so the stock is in the uptrend. Here, the Parabolic SAR is below the price, thus it gives the buy signals. Moreover, here the MACD line crossover, the signal line from downside to upside, thus this is our bullish crossover. So, this is our trigger candle. We will buy at the high of our trigger candle, our stop loss should be at the low of our trigger candle, and our target should follow our 2:1 risk-reward ratio. You can see, after our buy entry, we achieved our target, and price made a fine up move. Now let us understand the conditions for the sell setup. Condition number 1. We will make our sell setup when the price will be below the 180 EMA. Condition number 2. We will look for the selling when the parabolic SAR will be above the price. Condition number 3. We will make our sell entry when bearish crossover happens. Let us understand with an example. Here we have the chart of the stock. As you can see here, the price is below the 180 EMA, so the stock is in the downtrend. Here, the parabolic SAR is above the price, thus it gives the sell signals. Moreover, here the MACD line crossover, the signal line from upside to downside, thus this is our bearish crossover. So, this is our trigger candle. We will sell at the low of our trigger candle, our stop loss should be at the high of our trigger candle, and our target should follow our 2:1 risk-reward ratio. You can see, after our sell entry, we achieved our target, and price made a fine down move. That was all. My dear viewers, if you like this video, then give many likes to our video, and subscribe our channel, so you can keep getting these types of videos also in future. Take care of yourself.